Sundown's creeping, the engines roar. Duck Hunter TV got us craving more. In the heart of the race, hear the tires scream. Got my Camaro SS living that dream. Feel on fire, the asphalt's my stage. Lighting up the night, pure adrenaline rage. The Yardbird Trans Am, my partner in crime. Sick leak and drag week, racing through time.
So this video starts off with a road trip down to Florida at Christmas time. I went down for Christmas. While I was in town, I picked up the 243 heads I had picked up earlier at the Turkey Rod Run. Also had planned to pick up some other parts. I had made some deals online and they fell through, so I did not pick them up.
Got my tools in hand.
Here we are, back on the road again.
It's time to
Collect
make
more
a
parts.
stand.
Stay tuned.
Collecting parts, piece by piece. Building this beast to find my release. From fenders to frames, I'm charting away. Every bolt and bracket, every single sway. Hell, I swapped hard.
Here's a clue what parts we're picking up today. Doritos?
Drag and drop dream, building this engine, feel the steam. Revive the spirit, watch it come alive.
Your destination is on the left.
Hit the garage, got my tools in hand. Yardbird project, it's time to move.
We got a pretty good deal, I feel. We got the LS2 intake manifold with the fogger kit on it, with jetting for 150, solenoids, and then he, for me driving an hour, 45 minutes or whatever it was, threw in an LS1 intake with the stock injectors. So I feel like that was a pretty good deal altogether. It was $450 plus, you know, gas back and forth, but I feel like I did a pretty good deal there. And stand by, and once we get to the house, I'll video things a little more closely.
So here's the LS2 intake with the Nitrous fogger kit in it. Came with a brand new Zex Nitrous solenoid. It's never been used, brand new. Came with a fuel one from Nitrous Outlet. It has been used, but yeah, I've checked them. They both work. All the Nitrous fogger nozzles in there, the distribution block. Yeah, it was a nice clean LS2 intake. Came with fuel jets and the nitrous jets. He told me these with these numbers combinations, it will make, it's 150 kit. I haven't checked to verify the numbers, etc., but supposedly it's a 150 kit. I'll verify all that before I decide to use it. So my deal, the guy threw in this LS1 intake for free with the purchase, and it came with these injectors. So I'm planning to keep the injectors. I'm gonna clean up this intake and sell it, get some of the money back from the purchase of the nitrous intake. So I cleaned up the LS1 intake with some purple stuff and posted it on eBay. 2 days later, sold for $250.